Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make creamy lemon crumb bars. It has a buttery, oaty crust at the bottom, a creamy and tart lemon filling, and a crumb topping. These are really easy to make and they're so delicious. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Be sure to subscribe for new videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Lightly grease an 8-inch square pan and set it aside for now. Then into a medium bowl, add in the flour, rolled oats, baking soda, and salt. Whisk them until they're combined and set it aside for now. Then into a large bowl, add in the melted butter, brown sugar, and vanilla extract, and whisk them until they're well combined. Add in the dry ingredients and mix them until they're combined. Set aside 3/4 cup of this mixture to use for the crumb topping later. Then pour the rest into the prepared pan. Press it all over until it's even. And bake it in the oven for 10 minutes until it's set. Meanwhile, you can make the lemon filling. In a small or medium bowl, add in the sweetened condensed milk, plain yogurt or sour cream, egg yolk, lemon zest, lemon juice, and vanilla extract, and whisk them until they're well combined. Pour it over the top of the baked crust and gently spread it out until it's even. If the crust is still hot, it will be soft and fragile, so spread it out carefully so you don't break it. Then take the crumb mixture that was set aside earlier and crumble it all over the top. Then bake it in the oven for 18 to 22 minutes until the topping is lightly browned. When it's done, remove it from the oven and let it cool completely on a cooling rack. Once they're completely cooled, cut them into bars and serve. And that's how to make creamy lemon crumb bars. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a like and check out my channel for many more videos and subscribe to my channel for more to come. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.